Can I retrieve my iPad emails from a specific date or time period?
Hello, and welcome to our tutorial. Today, we'll be focusing on how to retrieve your iPad emails from a specific date or time period. This skill can be incredibly useful when you're searching for an important email or when you're just trying to stay organized. Remember that while this process can seem complex at first, once you get the hang of it, you'll be navigating through your emails like a pro.
Is it possible to retrieve iPad emails from a specific date or time period?
The short answer is yes. You can retrieve your iPad emails from a specific date or time period. However, it's important to note that the method of doing so can vary depending on the email provider you're using and the email app installed on your iPad. The Mail app, which comes pre-installed on all iPads, allows you to search through your emails by date. But you cannot directly filter your emails by date. Other third-party email apps like Outlook or Gmail also allow you to search for emails within a specific date range.
How can I retrieve emails from a specific date or time period in the Mail app?
Here are the steps to retrieve emails from a specific date or time period in the Mail app. 1. Open the Mail app on your iPad. 2. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. 3. Enter the date you're interested in the format, month per day per year. You could also enter just the month and year or even just the year. 4. Tap on Search. Remember, this will search for the date in your email, so if the date is mentioned in an email sent on a different date, that email will appear as well.
How can I retrieve emails from a specific date or time period in other email apps?
Here's a general method for retrieving emails from a specific date or time period in other email apps. 1. Open your email app on your iPad. 2. Usually, there will be a search bar or magnifying glass icon at the top of the screen. Tap on it. 3. Enter the date or time period you're interested in, using the appropriate date format. 4. Tap on Search or similar. Keep in mind that the exact method may vary slightly depending on the app you're using. That wraps up our tutorial on how to retrieve iPad emails from a specific date or time period. We hope you found this information useful and that you'll be able to easily navigate through your emails from now on. Thanks for watching, and remember, practice makes perfect when it comes to mastering these new skills.